by 283 and 3. A nice run there for Rod, but you don't want to see that decision maker sled turn sideways on the track. That means things aren't going straight like they ought to be. We'll have a distance for Rod here for the north. 274 and 3, 274 and 3.